everyone, today I'm going to be talking to you about First Hawaiian Bank. More specifically, I'm going to be walking you through a few ways that you can order checks for your First Hawaiian Bank account. So first, just a little bit of background on what a check is. It's a physical piece of paper that's linked to your bank account. You can use this to pay someone or a company, and the way that it works is you write the check and then you give it to the person that you're paying. They will then deposit the check into their bank account, and once they do that, the money will be taken out of your account and deposited into theirs. So now that we have kind of an understanding of what checks are and how they're used, I'm going to be showing you 3 ways that you can order them. Before we get started, you will need to have a copy of a voided check or something else that has your First Hawaiian bank account number and routing number on it, such as a bank statement. The first thing you're going to do is open your browser and type in the bank web address. You can use Safari, Chrome, Firefox, whatever browser you normally use on your phone will work just fine. I'm going to be using Safari in this video. As you can see, I'm already on the First Hawaiian website, and you can see the web address at the top of the screen, fhb.com. You can also check the description for the link to First Hawaiian Bank. The first way to order checks is going to be by logging on to your First Hawaiian Bank account online. To do this, you're going to look for the login button, which is located at the top right-hand corner of the screen on the red bar. It'll have a person and a lock icon with the word login right underneath in a bit so you can see it a little bit better. So you'll click on that, and then that's going to bring this little drop down window where you can enter your username and your password. Now, if you don't have a username and password, to the right of the login button, there's a link that says Enroll Now. You can click on that link and then just follow the instructions on the screen to complete the enrollment process. Once you're logged in, you're going to go to Banking Options and then Order Checks Online. Usually, banks do charge a fee for checks, and it's normally a set price, but be sure to look for any banking promos that include free checks if you have a certain type of account. The second way to order checks is going to be by calling the customer service number for First Hawaiian Bank. You can usually find this phone number located on the back of your First Hawaiian debit card, and that is probably going to be the easiest place to find this phone number. You can also look for a Contact Us page on the First Hawaiian Bank website, but that can sometimes be a little bit tricky and not so straightforward to find. So if you happen to know of any other ways to find this phone number, please be sure to let me know in the comments. I do also want to let you know that there is sometimes an additional fee to use this service to order checks, and that's something that the customer service representative will be able to lay out for you when you speak with them. Third way to order checks is going to be through third-party vendor websites. To do this, you'll go to google.com and do a search for order replacement checks for First Hawaiian Bank. I had this up at the beginning of the video already. I'm on Google and I've already typed into the search bar order replacement checks for First Hawaiian Bank. What this does is it brings up several third-party vendor websites that you can use to order checks. Some of these websites include Checks Unlimited, Checks in the Mail, and Walmart Checks. All of those are good examples of websites that you can use. Do be aware that prices and security features will vary when ordering online through a third-party vendor. So if you happen to know of any other good, reputable third-party vendors to order checks from, please be sure to let me know in the comments. Ordering checks from a third-party vendor is also where your voided check will come in handy, because you'll need to have your exact First Hawaiian bank account number and routing number to order checks this way. So those are the 3 ways that you can order checks. I hope that you found this useful, and please be sure to check out the description for more information on First Hawaiian Bank.